Introduction. Hey there, young adults. Ready to take control of your financial future without sacrificing precious time hanging out with friends? In today's video, we're diving into 10 fantastic passive income ideas perfect for you. And no, investing in penny stocks isn't as crazy as it sounds. Let me explain. So grab a snack and get ready to learn how you can start making extra cash while chilling on the couch. What you'll learn in this video, we're going to cover 10 different ideas for passive income. We'll go through each one in detail and give you real examples so you can see which ones might be best for you. By the end of today's session, you should have a good idea of where to start your own stream. Passive income idea number 1. Blogging and YouTube channel. First up is blogging or creating a YouTube channel. This is one of my personal favorites. If you're already doing content for social media, it's easy to transition this into a blog and then expand that into a full-fledged YouTube channel. Just make sure your content is quality, relevant to your audience, and well-produced. For example, I have a personal experience where I used to write articles on health and fitness. After turning them into videos, my YouTube views soared. Your goal here should be to get at least 50 subscribers within the first year. Passive income idea number 2. Online surveys and polls. Next up is online surveys and polls. This one requires a bit more time commitment, but also has huge potential for earning money. You can sign up with sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie, do a weekly survey, and earn points that you can then redeem for Amazon gift cards. The key here is to stay active. These sites love consistent contributors. Passive income idea number 3. Selling on eBay and other marketplaces. Selling items online through platforms like eBay or Etsy is another great way to generate passive income. Just make sure you have something that people want and are willing to pay for. Whether it's handmade crafts or old electronics, you can list your items once and then let them sell over time without having to do any more work. Passive income idea number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a fantastic way to start an online business with very little upfront investment. Essentially, you purchase products wholesale from suppliers and then sell them online, usually through your own e-commerce website, but only ship the product when the customer orders it. For example, if I were selling t-shirts on an e-commerce site but didn't have stock at hand, I could simply order a few from my supplier in bulk, then dropship to customers' requests. This allows you to start without having to manage inventory. Passive income idea number 5. Online tutoring and freelance work. Online tutoring or freelance work is another popular choice for passive income. Sites like Upwork and TopTal can connect you with clients who need your skills in fields such as writing, graphic design, or programming. Just be prepared to network a bit. Finding these opportunities doesn't happen overnight. Passive income idea number 6. Selling your music online. If you're an artist or musician, this one is for you. You can sell your music on platforms like Bandcamp or SoundCloud. This isn't the easiest option, but it's definitely doable. Just make sure you have a strong grasp of digital marketing to promote your content. Passive income idea number 7. Investing in penny stocks. Yes, really. Penny stocks are those tiny little companies on the bottom rung of the stock market. They're cheap and often volatile. But with enough research and patience, you can make a decent amount investing in them. The key here is to never put more than you can afford to lose. Always diversify your portfolio. Passive income idea number 8. Selling your old stuff. This one may seem obvious, but it's surprisingly effective. You've got old video games, books, clothes, and other items sitting around at home. Sell them on sites like eBay or Craigslist for a few bucks here and there. It adds up over time. Passive income idea number 9. Crowdfunding campaigns. Crowdfunding campaigns are a smart way to finance your own projects, be it a new business venture, an art project, or anything else you can dream of. Sites like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to raise money from people who believe in what you're doing. Just make sure you have a solid plan before going public. Passive income idea number 10. Renting out unused space, short term. If you've got an extra room or even just some furniture, consider renting it out on sites like Airbnb or VRBO short-term rentals. This can be a great way to earn a little extra cash while also helping others with their travel needs. Conclusion and next steps. By the end of this video, you should have a good idea of which options might work best for your situation and interests. Remember, starting something new takes time, so don't expect overnight success. Instead, aim to make steady progress without becoming discouraged. And if any of these ideas pique your interest, let me know in the comments below. If I can help you get started or answer any questions you might have, drop us a line. Call to action, CTA. Be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video on passive income or any other topic. And if you're already dipping your toes into any of these ideas today, let me know which one you're excited about trying first. Happy earning!